Hey guys, welcome to this episode of the Chiro Couch. My name's Dr. Andrew. Now, if you've had chiropractic care before, you may be exposed to some instruments that we use when you're helping you with your treatments. And if you haven't, today I'm going to give you some examples. We have three main instruments that we use in the office. We have this one here, which is called an activator. This one here, we call it the impulse instrument, and this one here is called the arthrostim. Now, obviously, we have all of these here in the practice, but today I want to explain to you the differences between them. So, for example, all of these instruments, what they do is the basics behind them is that these instruments stimulate your soft tissues and your muscles and also your nervous system. They are not massage guns. Now, they can be used for a variety of people for different techniques. They are more gentle, so they're great on people with osteoporosis, and they can also be used to help improve your posture. Now, because chiropractors treat so many different sensitivity levels and pain thresholds, in some cases manual adjustments are just not warranted. They may be not effective or efficient as well. Chiros use these instruments to get a greater set of tools so we can treat a wider set of problems. But let's talk about this arthrostim. So the arthrostim delivers 12 to 14 thrusts per second, which is stronger and faster than a typical thrust from a chiropractor. The benefits basically allow us to maintain the effectiveness of your treatments. Now, they also allow us to alter the force applied to your area. Now, it can be used separately or it can be in conjunction with a regular adjustment, and as a result, we can treat your condition much better. For those who will benefit from the arthrostim will be like young kids with gentle ones. It could be individuals with acute problems or acute pain, which need gentle technique as well. Oversensitive people who don't like to be cracked, individuals who suffer from neck pain or lower back pain, or those who require adjustments to the extremities, and of course the elderly individuals as well. The benefits are from this neurological asset that basically provides to the body. Because the instrument is so fast and quick, it stimulates nerves, what we call mechanoreceptors. And these are the nerves that control your movement in your body. When we stimulate these receptors, it minimizes your pain because it overloads the nervous system and deactivates the pain fibers. It'll basically assist in your treatment by relaxing your muscles and prepare your body for a regular chiropractic adjustment. Now let's look at the impulse instrument. Now this one here delivers precise adjustments. It has 3 different settings. It works on the joints of the spine and produces pain relief and restoration of those function of those joints. Because it's a controlled force, as opposed to the arthrostim where the force is controlled by the chiro, we can treat lots of different areas with almost no strain to the body, still while achieving an accurate adjustment every single time. Now, it's twice as fast as other adjusting treatments and 100 times faster than just a manual chiropractic adjustment. But the important thing is, because it's faster, your body's not allowed to, or your body doesn't get an opportunity to tighten, and therefore it can't resist the adjustment. This controlled force thrusts are able to be adjusted for different patients and different ages. And the machine is specifically tuned to your natural frequency of the body on the joints, muscles, and nerves, so it optimizes the results for patients. And it doesn't just work on stimulating your muscles and joints, but it also stimulates those nerves that control balance. Now, by doing so, it creates messages backwards and forwards, up and down the spinal cord to the cerebellum, which we can then help improve posture. Now, lastly, what is an activator? Well, an activator is a spring-loaded instrument. It's mechanical and allows a quick single thrust to a specific joint. We can adjust it so it's strong, and we can adjust it so it's very little, and it's great that we use it on children. Now, there are 2 advantages to an activator treatment. First of all, it's high spin. Similar to the last devices, it doesn't allow your body to tense before the treatment, and hence you don't resist the treatment. It's controlled so that we can not just put it on the joint, but we don't do any bending or twisting during that position as well. So it's great for when you're in pain as well. So there you have it, a brief description of these instruments. There's a lot more to them, a lot more research. I today you learned a little bit today about these instruments, and I'll teach you something new next episode on the Chiro Couch next Friday. Bye for now.